Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Now Max TV. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to 500 USD by doing affiliate marketing. When we talk about affiliate marketing, most people don't understand that this is a way of earning money, or this is a way that you can be earning some extra income when you are home, when you are busy. So when you have a free time, this is also the source of passive income for those who want to be earning more money by doing affiliate marketing. So I will be making for you some tutorials about the affiliate marketing platforms that you can use. Also, that is the reason why in this video I went into hosting platforms and I come with the one hosting platform that you can use and make more money. Depends on how you're going to be using the platform, and also it's going to be helping you to be earning more money. Without wasting time, let's get started. So this platform also is called Dream Hosts. Also, if you don't subscribe to this channel, Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Now Max TV. So now I'm gonna get started. So here we are going to be typing DreamHost in our browser. If I type DreamHost, now I type DreamHost affiliate marketing. That is where I'm going to be going direct to the platform or to the main page, where I'm going to be direct to the affiliate marketing page. On the affiliate marketing page, I'm gonna be having the platform where I can be exploring the data. You can see earn up to 200 per referral. So this is very amazing. If you can be able to earn up to 200 per referral, it's very amazing. It's very amazing, which means you can be able to earn a lot of money. It depends on how you are working. So now let me click on this link, open the platform, and see how much money can I be able to make by doing affiliate marketing on the platform. So you can see now the platform is already open. Now what I can see is that you can do this one. You can see earn up to 200 per referral. Now let's explore. To explore the platform, I'm going to be scrolling down and see. So you can see total referred customers. Here is on the shared data. We are going to be earning one. This is for one customer, where you can be able to earn USD 50 payout per one customer you're going to be referring. So if you are going to be referring someone, let's see, from Shared Unlimited, now we're going to be earning 100 USD. If you are going to be referring someone who is going to be using the VPS services or virtual private server, VPS hosting, you see. Now let's see how much is going to be different. It's going to be different. This is one. Okay, it's 100 as well. That's the same as this Shared Unlimited. Now let's go to dedicated server. These are the type of hosting that they offer, and what to be earning or making money depends on the given client you have brought to this platform, or you have brought to purchase the given hosting services. Dedicated. So you can see, if you're going to be referring someone to come and purchase dedicated server, that is where you can be able to make this amount. So if you're going to be referring someone who is using DreamPlace for WordPress hosting, let's see, 150 USD per client. Now let's see if we're going to be referring someone who is going to be purchasing dedicated server, and see how much you can be able to make if you have more than one client. Let's see, I'm going to be having 3 clients, 600. Let's suppose that we are able to get 4 clients in a month or in a week. Let's suppose if you can be able to get them in a week or in a month, let's suppose 5. Oh, amazing. That is a big amount of money that you can be able to make if you are able to attract the client to this platform, or if you have if maybe you are hosting, you are a web developer, your web design, you can be able to have some clients who need their hosting services. So if you are going to be able to make this, if you are going to be able to help these people to be able to purchase the services here, you can be able to make a lot of money by doing affiliate marketing. This is gonna be done on your phone. This is gonna be done without further processes and other factors. So now let's suppose of what you're going to be doing. We're going to be signing up on account and see how can be starting with the affiliate marketing on this platform. This is gonna be helpful for everyone who can be able to do this. So to be able to do affiliate marketing, here are the steps you need to follow. First of all, you need to sign up, where you can be signing up online form. The second, you need to be promoting you promote the services you have decided to be promoting, either shared unlimited, either the dedicated server. The second or the third one, you can also get paid through security through PayPal after the trial period. So now what you need to do, here are the amount they are saying. Shared starter, this is monthly plan payout starting at 15 per referral. This is the payout starting. Yearly payout is starting from this amount. So dedicated server is starting at this amount. You can see it's the same as the way we are reviewing. Now what you need to do, if you want to be signing up, you can go at the top and click on this link. This link is gonna be helping us to sign up. So what you need to do, I'm going to be signing up, clicking on the link here to sign up today. Then they give me the signing up page. Now I have to fill out this page so that I can be getting started. I have to agree on these terms and conditions. I have already read them. Now I can also click next. What I need to do, I need to be clicking this one. If you are not new, you need to be clicking it's a partners.dreamhost.com. So if you are new, you need to be clicking partners sign up. So I'm signing up as a partner. So you can see here is the form we have to fill out. Also, this is the form we need to fill. So to fill this form, what we need to do is that we have to be using the company, apply to our network, and submitting the required field below. Now let's try fill this data and also come back. You need to select the country. This is very simple. You need to be select the country and do everything you want. So now let's try to be doing everything and also come back. So after this, you need to be filling out all these details. You need to ensure that you fill the details for how you'll be promoting the platform. Those are the questions they are requesting you to be answering. And also here you need to be choosing which one corresponding to your services. So after doing this, once you are done this, also you need to be clicking next. As you can see, they bring the terms and the conditions, the user agreement. What you need to do is that you need to be also accepting the user agreement I have now here. Then also you sign up. As you see, you have to click on sign up and you wait. So now you can see that your application is already signing up or is have been created. So what you need to do is that you'll be reviewing shortly, and the account manager will contact you shortly. So once you have freed the application, so you need to wait, and also they will be contacting you so that you can be able to start making money. This is very simple, and if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in a comment section. So once you receive the review or from the application, the response from the application, you are now ready to go back and log into your affiliate account and also start making money by doing affiliate marketing on DreamHost platform. So we shall be showing you different platforms that you can also use to make money online. Also, this is very easy, and that is the opportunity that you can use as a side hustle to make more money. So keep in touch with us, and also subscribe, like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section.